Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi beautiful people, welcome to Kanyuri Vlogs. It's so lovely to have you here once again. Thank you so much for tuning in, and to all my subscribers, I really appreciate. If you're a returnee, if you're a new subscribers, feel at home, and I'm so delighted to have you. So today, as you may have read from the title, we are going to be unboxing, and not just any other unboxing. This is unboxing a gift from a fellow YouTuber. Yeah, I feel so honored. I feel so privileged to have received a gift from somebody that I have never met, somebody that we only chat on YouTube. You know, like these people, once you create a relationship with fellow YouTubers, they become your family. You know, they become more than a family at times, to be honest, because it's not every time that the family is always there for you. You guys know that. So, how did I get this gift, and how did I come around to receiving it? You want to know that? So what happened is way back in December, we joined, me and my premier group, and this is a premier group that is a very special premier group. I really value them. I really love them so much, because we're always there for each other. We're always there to support each other. And so we attended one of our premier member. She was having a premiere, and she posted a challenge or a question, yeah, and it was more like fun as well for all of us to participate in the comment section whilst we were watching the premiere, which was very interesting. And I happened to be the winner. I happened to be the winner, but I really didn't expect her to. She said, "Yeah, if you win, you're gonna get something from me." But I didn't think much of it, because we are always having a good time in the comment section when we are watching a premiere. But we ended up finishing the premiere, and after a while she texted me and she asked me for my address, and I was thinking, okay, was she really serious? And I said, well, could be. Let me just see what happens. But can you believe it? After a week of her doing that premiere, I received a parcel. It came through my door, and I'm like, I didn't order from that company. And guess what, guys? She had kept her word. She sent me a gift. She kept her word. That is one. And also, she just made me feel so special, you know. She made me feel so special. She made my journey in YouTube more interesting. And so much thank you. You know, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are going to find out who I'm talking about very soon. But first, let me show you. This is the box that I received. As you can see, it's a very big box. It's a very big box. And for a minute, I'm just removing the tape that is on the box. Oh, God, I'm so happy. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Look at that. That's how it looks like. What else is in there? Let's see what else is in there. Ooh, there's something else there. There is something else. Look. We are going to open this first. Which one do you think we should open first? Which one do you think we should open? This one? This one? This one? This one? Alright, I think I'm gonna open this first, yeah? So there it goes. Ta-da! Ta-da! You guys, oh, today I'm like a baby who's just gone into a candy shop, and I'm just excited. I can't help myself, guys. So it says identity, and it says, can you read that? 42 color palette. So for some, I know you already know what that means. And it also comes in that bubble wrap. just protect it. And we're gonna take off the bubble wrap now. Voila! Look at that! Look at that, guys! Look at that! Look at that! It's nice. It's soft and matte. It's like that nice, soft, matte, velvety feel. I'm just loving this, guys. I'm just really, really loving this. Honestly, so let's go. Voila! Wow, wow, wow. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Look at all those beautiful colors. Let me just take off this. There's a cover on top there. Look at that. Look at all those beautiful colors. And I love like all these colors. They're like neutral colors. You get me? You can just use them with any kind of costume, whatever outfit you're wearing. They are really neutral colors, which I'm so happy about. It's got a mirror, like a huge mirror, guys. Like a huge mirror. Like I can see myself. You see that? I look hot, baby, don't I? We're not done yet. We are not done yet. So that's a nice shiny, like pinkish color. Oh God, I wonder what else. Who sends you all these gifts? Like, who sends you a beautiful palette of eyeshadow? There. Big B. I think that big B is for the Beautybay. Look, guys. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Do you see that? Like, for real? Okay, let's have a look. I guess you just undo that and undo that. Voila. Huh? Guys, not only do I get a palette, I get a full set of brushes. Look at that. I get a full set of blushes. Did I say blushes? Yeah, well, you get me. Okay. I got a full set of brushes, guys. This is everything that I need. This is everything that I need to complete my look. Yeah. This is not a makeup tutorial, but I might just include a little clip of how I put on my eyeshadow, and as well I would like you to see how it's blending and how the brushes are just, are just working through the eyeshadow. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm so excited. And now this is the moment where I reveal who sent me these precious, lovely, beautiful gifts. This is the moment where I'm going to tell you who sent this. Rosemary Renders, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless that pocket that went and bought these gifts. May each time, may everything you have spent on here, come back to you 100 times, 10,000 times back to your pocket. I thank you so much, Rosemary Renders. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with this, and God bless you so much. May your channel continue to grow beyond and above and have no limit. I'm so grateful. This is the first gift that I have received from a YouTuber, and it couldn't be any better, honestly. And stay tuned so you can see how the eyeshadow came out, because I'm gonna be adding it onto this video at the end. So guys, stay tuned and see how I finished that eyeshadow look. Okay, I love you all, and God bless you all.
Got a chance in LA. Now you a city girl. Now you wanna party, it's late. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You said that I was, you had me love struck. That city life will make you go. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. 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 No place like home. Had a lover boy. Now you're on the other side of the tracks with another boy. Chasing that greener grass, you stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You say over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You said that I was, you had me love struck. That city life will make you go. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. 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 No place like home. Make the night go slower. It's lonely in October. Closer, closer, closer. Lightning in a bottle. Lightning in a bottle, baby. Shatter up the table. Shatter on the table. We can kill the labels. Hold me, beat me, la la la. You said that I was, you had me love struck. That city life will make it go. Oh yeah. No place like home. No place like home. No place like
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's
if I have to plead, or if I have to fight, or if I have to bleed, if I tell a lie, or if I speak the truth.